In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GoDaddy domain and email starter bundles. We'll walk through choosing a domain you love and pairing it with an email starter plan, all inside GoDaddy, so you leave with a professional address at your new domain. Start on the GoDaddy website and look for the domain search bar. Type the domain name you like, exactly as you want people to remember it. Keep it short, simple, and easy to spell. Avoiding hyphens and numbers usually makes it cleaner. If your first choice isn't available, try slight variations or different extensions until you find a good fit. You'll see availability and pricing right away. When you spot a match, click Make It Yours. This adds the domain to your cart and opens options such as how many years you want to register and whether auto-renew is on. Take a second to review what's included and any suggested add-ons, like privacy. You can leave extras off if you don't need them. The key is making sure the domain and term length look right. Next, return to the main GoDaddy navigation by clicking the GoDaddy logo or home link. Your domain will stay in the cart while you add email. From the top menu, click Email. This takes you to the email products page that works with your domain, including starter bundles designed to get you up and running quickly. Browse the choices and then select the plan you want. Compare essentials like mailbox storage, the number of users you need today, and features such as calendar, contacts, and mobile sync. If you're just starting out, a basic plan is usually enough, and you can upgrade later as your team grows. Make sure the plan you pick clearly states it can be used with your own domain. Finally, click Add to Cart. GoDaddy will attach the email plan to the domain already in your cart, so double-check the summary. Confirm the correct domain is shown for the email, review the billing cycle and price, and look for any promotional discounts or trial terms so there are no surprises later. Taxes can vary by region, so totals may update at the end. That's it. You've chosen a domain, clicked Make It Yours, navigated to email, selected the plan you want, and added it to your cart. With both items ready, you're set to move forward whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and happy branding!